I'm gonna put a marshmallow in the microwave. Just kidding, marshmallows. I already messed up my microwave by using marshmallows. I'm just gonna put it in for 30 seconds. See what happens to it. Bring it out. I'm gonna eat it. A pink one. Yeah, I'm the pink one. Come on, get out. Out. Pink marshmallow. Put it on the plate. See the plate? See the stain I already did? It won't come off. Three. Oh. Big job object in there. That is marshmallow. It's in the light. Almost done. Whoa! It's sludge. Look how fast it's sinking down. Sinking down pretty fast. Oh, that's all done. The thinness now. We got a knife. Hot, 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 hot. It's really hot. Tastes like bubblegum. Tastes like bubblegum. Try this at home. But make sure it's plastic silverware and paper plate. Do not use a bowl. Does not work in a bowl. Bye.